हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज नेहा बावा एंड वेलकम टू द मेंटी स्टोरीज। आज जो हमारे गेस्ट है ना, उनका इंट्रोडक्शन हम डायरेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, हम उनसे रैपिड क्वेश्चंस करेंगे और उनके आंसर्स से हमारे ऑडियंस जज करेंगे कि वो कौन है। ठीक है? सो वील डू अ रैपिड फायर एंड देन वील स्टार्ट विद द इंट्रोडक्शन। आई लव यू कौन बोलता है?
एक्चुअली दोनों बोलते हैं.
दोनों. हु से सॉरी फर्स्ट?
Always me.
ओके. एंड ज्यादा जेलस कौन होता है?
Me. Always.
ऑलवेज. हु इज अ बेटर कुक?
Me.
No, I would say I'm a better cook.
She
She's
is
just cooks.
not. No.
एंड हु इज अ बेटर किसर?
I think both.
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 हु प्लान्स डेट?
She,
I think-
she does.
Yeah, I think me. Yeah.
And who is more romantic?
She is more romantic.
Dramatic?
Dramatic is me.
Always.
And who does the male role and who does the female role?
Nobody.
Nobody?
Both are female, so we both are.
Yeah, it's not about the gender roles.
Okay, wow. And who keeps the secret?
Who keeps a secret? I
She's-
think
she's
I
the
am,
best at it.
Yeah. I am more
I
of a
can't.
secret keeper.
I cannot even plan a surprise. I always
Yeah.
tell her.
Yeah.
And who is flirt?
I think me. Yes.
Abs-
Yeah.
Okay, so अब हमारे ऑडियंस को गेस कर दिया होगा कि आज हम किन से बात करने वाले हैं. So let's welcome पूर्णिमा अरोड़ा एंड निर्मल सैली. So आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे शो
Thank
में.
you so much.
Thank you.
so much.
सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, आई मीन वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. आप अपने बारे में मतलब एक बताइए छोटा, कैसे मिले थे, कैसे रहा सब?
मिलना एक बॉलीवुड स्टोरी की तरह से रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोग सेम कंपनी में काम करते थे बट वी वर वर्किंग रिमोट. सो अ कंपनी प्लान्ड एन ऑफ साइट इन गोवा
Hmm.
and because we both are from Delhi, so we met at Delhi airport.
Yep. That's when I saw her for the first time.
I guess she should tell the rest of the story.
Yeah. That's when I saw her for the first time, and
So it was love at first sight?
not love, but I definitely liked
Give me
her a
some
lot.
credit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. But I definitely liked her a lot, and I did not obviously think of dating her. I did not plan any such thing. I just loved being in her company, and that's what I wanted, and that's what I did throughout the entire trip. I mean, I was not with my department. Our departments are completely different, but I was not with my own department's people. I was with her. Out of all those like 80-90 people, I was constantly, like Fevicol की तरह इसी से चिपकी हुई थी मैं पूरा time.
Yeah. But that also became a problem for the both of
For
us.
both of us.
Because it was an offsite, and my manager, I had a good bond with my manager. She kind of threatened me that you both will lose your jobs, even though we were not doing anything offensive. We were not, of course, indecent in public,
Hmm.
but still she threatened us. There was one another person, my teammate, who tried to break us apart, and that she comes later in her story, in our story. She said a lot of things, but yeah, our first meeting was definitely great, but then
Things eventually.
yeah, as usual, because we are in India.
Yes,
so-
yes. And now in India also, if you talk about today's time, it's changed, right? But if you talk about 1 year, 2 years back, it was not the same.
Okay, so I would like to say it's not changed per se. There is definitely acceptance. Like, people are more out there. People are definitely posting more about it. They are very vocal about their identity. However, if it's about homophobic, people being homophobic, that is still there, and I feel that will remain
So do you meet homophobics?
a lot. I mean, we are
Any
surrounded by
weird,
Yeah.
any weird messages or any instance?
Oh my
Oh my God.
I mean, that's a topic which probably might take the whole podcast. But what we want to say is, no matter how much people out there say that we are accepting you guys as you are, that's not
That's
true.
not true.
So I was coming to that. I mean, we are okay. We are accepting it. But are we normalizing it? Because if you talk about any movie, any series, so there is a gay, there is a lesbian, and there is so much hype about it. If you take the example of recent Cocktail 2 movie, so उसमें ये था कि ये एक लेस्बियन की स्टोरी है, इसमें वो दोनों जो हैं वो लेस्बियंस हैं, and there was so much hype around it. तो
Unfortunately, we haven't seen that. I'm not sure.
even I also haven't seen it. नहीं नहीं, before the release of the movie ये hype था कि इसमें ये दोनों lesbians
but
हैं,
that was not the case.
but that was not the case.
That was not the
So
case.
we are not normalizing it. And the other thing is that are we ready to accept this in our family?
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so. There are a lot of people. I'm not going to say that nobody accepts it, like whosoever. I'm only saying that I don't know the statistics, to be honest. I'm just guessing 90% people do not accept.
Do not accept it.
That's what I want to say. I do not know these statistics. I really don't know anything about that. But as per our experience, because we are also on social media and we also post, we we come around people and people join our lives. People join,
My
comment.
God, don't go there.
People comment on our videos. They comment on our YouTube or Instagram or whatever, and you would find a very less bunch of people actually commenting good, out of love or out of support or whatever. You would always find people giving us hate, whatever homophobic shit they want to throw at us. Yeah.
And, if you would like to categorize probably people who comment on our videos, one is definitely people who support us or love us. Then there is a category of men who just talk shit. And when I
And
say
when we
shit,
say shit, we are just sugarcoating it.
Yeah.
It is bad. It is worse than
it's
shit.
bad, yeah. They just like include us and
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah,
some
you don't need a
this and
man.
that. Then there's the third category who abuse, who tell us this is a sin,
Oh
this
my
is
god.
not good, this is not normal. Probably in our religion, like people from different religion, I mean, we don't believe in this casteism or religion thing, but people from different religion tell us that even it is not normal in Hinduism. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that?
This is one specific guy always joins our live and says ki,
Oh, yeah.
oh my god, that guy.
I mean,
And we never block him. I'm like, तू कर ले, तुझे जितना बोलना है तू बोलता रह भाई.
thankfully we have like our own army.
Army, yeah.
They are very special. They are very close to
our
us.
heart, yeah.
They are there in all of our lives, no matter what time it is. Then there is one person who joined our. I mean, unfortunately, I'm not sure if that's okay. If not, you can cut it out. Like that person's name is Abdul, right?
Abdul, yeah.
Yeah, and that person, he tells us, like, he legit writes that सीता राम की शादी हुई थी,
सीता और सीता की थोड़ी ना हुई थी, something like that. कुछ
Okay.
it just like blows our mind कि भाई तेरे को क्या है,
Right.
काम करना जाके अपना.
and उसपे मतलब हमारे लोग भी बहुत कुछ कहते हैं. We just laugh, but unfortunately, like there are some times, Neha, that you guys are not feeling great. You are probably having a bad day.
Exactly. Everybody has.
Yeah, and when you look at those comments, thankfully we are together. Thankfully we can support each other. But people out there still, we get SMS, DMs that they are struggling. They are still not able to accept themselves. Their families are not able to accept them.
We recently got another DM from this girl who said that she's still struggling with her identity. She is, I mean, really bad things happening in her life, and she's like, she feels her life is threatened because if she ever comes out to her family, God knows what they're gonna do to her, So those kind of things are happening in India. I mean, we are still, touchwood, in a very good place. But there are people out there of the LGBTQ community who are struggling like anything.
So what about your families?
Our families are, touchwood, accepted. They have accepted us. There has been no issues to them so far.
Thankfully, my mother, father, sister, they have been very supportive.
Okay.
I came out to my mother in 2018.
2018, yes.
25th December 2018, and she was very accepting, no drama, nothing. Since then, she, even when we were not in a relationship before we met, she always used to ask me if there is a girl, like मेरे कुछ कांड रहे हैं पीछे. तो जो भी रोना धोना हुआ, she was always very supportive, and whenever we meet at my place.
Yeah.
And she's always there. She cooks for us. Thankfully, we have been lucky. And same for her mother. Like, she supports.
Yeah, my mother is also supportive. I mean, she hasn't come up. She hasn't ever told me, yeah, guy, nothing like that. She hasn't again been dramatic and all. But yeah, I guess we are lucky in that way.
Yeah,
But
even with friends, like I don't.
we don't have friends, sorry.
Shit. जिनको भी at least पहले बताया था, like we haven't encountered those instances where people say you're not my friend anymore.
Because you are
Just
not
because
my
of this
friend.
thing?
Yes. I mean, there are different experiences like we had yesterday.
Oh my god.
Yes.
We just had an experience like literally yesterday with one of her friends.
Yeah. I mean,
And that blew our mind, both of our minds actually.
it's just like a small example. She was my college friend. When I say college, like it's been more than 10 years.
Yeah.
My college, and we've shared great bond. However, what I felt, and it is not just me, we both felt it, that if had it been for a straight couple, I am sure this wouldn't have happened.
Hmm.
But the treatment that we get just
Hmm.
because we are lesbian partners, it's not equal. It's not right, unfortunately.
So does people question about your intimacy and do they
Yeah,
want
oh
to
my
know
God.
about?
Yeah.
तुझे की जानना है क्यों बताए
They also get uncomfortable. Like, I'm not sure if you'll be able to relate to it. If there is a straight couple and there's a bunch of friends, if a straight couple is holding hands, they are just sitting together. Least of all, they are sitting together. People would not be uncomfortable. But I have seen my friends, like the same friend, she was at my place. We were just sitting together and she held my hand.
and we were just our loving selves. I mean, ऐसा तो नहीं है ना, if somebody is gonna come to our home and we are gonna be like कि तू मुझसे दूर बैठ, like, you know, don't do
right.
all that PDA with me. I don't think that that's gonna happen because it's my girlfriend and I will show love to her no matter who's around, right? And I was just like holding her hand or something, and I saw her reaction, how her friend reacted, and I'm like, I don't think you're gonna react that way if there was a straight couple in our place.
So अच्छा ऐसा होता है जैसे अभी हम गेस की बात कर रहे थे तो उसमें ये होता है कि लोग उनको देखते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि इनके पास और कोई काम नहीं है कोई गोल नहीं है कुछ नहीं है दे ओनली थिंक अबाउट सेक्स सो सिमिलर थिंग कि लेस्बियन में भी होता है कि आप लोगों के पास कोई गोल नहीं है कुछ काम नहीं है बट सेक्स की ही बारे में ही सोचते हैं मतलब लोगों का सिर्फ नजरिया एक सेक्स को लेकर ही होता है
मतलब उन लोग को ये लगता है कि lesbians, gays, they are together just for sex. I mean, I don't know why, but
These are the kind of comments we also get.
there was I remember I read it somewhere. There was like in the US, if I'm not wrong, or somewhere probably across the globe, that lesbians and gays, they are actually more successful than straight couples.
That's true. That is true.
क्योंकि आराम नहीं होते हैं, no toxicity, हो सकती है toxicity, but at least वो understanding ज़्यादा रहती है.
Agreed. I agree. I mean, I don't know about others, to be honest. I will not say collectively कि सारे बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. Just like how you would not sit here and vouch for all the women out there in the world, right?
Exactly.
I'm not going to sit here and vouch for all the gay couples and lesbian couples out there. However, this is a stereotype. This is not true that we only think about sex. We have better things to do. We have our goals. Obviously, she, touch wood, is, at a very good place in her corporate, right? Same goes with me. So I think that yes, definitely we have goals, but this is definitely a stereotype. I mean, everybody has stereotypes. We all. Why would we think about
It's
sex
just that
anyway?
they don't have understanding.
Yeah, and the thing is that they don't want to understand. If we sit here and make this podcast, for educational purposes, to tell people, and they watch this, let's say 1 hour, 2 hour long podcast, do we know that they're going to change their mindset? I don't think so.
उन्होंने बाद में भी वही comments करने हैं.
हाँ,
So
right.
it's not going to make any difference to them. That's the point.
So not true.
Not true. Yeah.
सो जैसे अब स्ट्रेट कपल की बात करते हैं तो उनमें ना चाहे हम जितना भी आगे बढ़ जाएं अभी भी ये होता है कि फॉर मैन एंड वुमेन बोथ आर वर्किंग सो वो घर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ज़्यादातर वुमेन ही शेयर करती हैं
Right.
सो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ रीजन फॉर अ वुमेन करियर कि वो इतना ज़्यादा सेक्रीफाइस ही करती रह जाती है
Correct,
कभी
correct.
हस्बैंड के लिए कभी बच्चों के लिए वो शायद यहाँ नहीं होता है बिकॉज यू बोथ आर
Definitely not.
हेल्पिंग ईच अदर
Right. And that's what we said, right? Ki we don't have gender roles. We don't have gender roles. Even though she is the masculine presenting woman, she does not want to be a man. She does not behave like a man. She's just somebody who's masculine presenting. I'm just somebody who's feminine presenting. That's the only difference. It doesn't mean that she's the man. So same, like, you know, that is what happens in lesbian relationships, that because we both are women, we are more understanding. We are more emotionally intimate. Not talking about sex, but emotionally
वो आपको
intimate.
क्यों पता है?
Exactly.
You're absolutely correct, Neha, when you say, because आज तक भी if we see, if we watch our households, यही होता है.
हाँ.
हमारी mothers भी, they are more into their children,
Yeah.
what their husband would eat. आज ये बना लेते हैं, ये कर लेते हैं.
Mhm.
Times have changed,
Definitely.
no doubt, but अभी भी यार वही है
But the
कि-
percentage is really less.
हाँ,
It's
और
different on social media than in reality. I know women very high in their career, but still they are juggling between their career and their husband and family.
Because
प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने
these
वो
are the
एक
expectations,
किसी
right?
तो उसमें बोला था ना कि अगर एक औरत घर का काम कर रही है, बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन पे है, आप उससे फिर भी पूछोगे
You would not,
कि
yeah, exactly. We
हाँ.
don't want to be questioned when we are driven at
हाँ, कि
53,
बच्चों का क्या कैसे
CEO.
चल रहा है, पर एक किसी
Exactly.
आदमी से तो नहीं पूछोगे.
Right.
हाँ, तो गलत है ये, मतलब ऐसा डेफिनेटली इसमें तो नहीं है. हमारी
We do
मर्जी
push
है.
ourselves. मतलब मैं अगर काम कर रही हूँ तो she's the one who brings. If I'm working at her place or if she's working at my place, if I'm on my laptop and she sees that I'm freaking busy and I had not had my lunch, she will have the courtesy to go to the kitchen, makes things for me, you know, and then she literally
Depends,
feeds.
जिसके पास भी टाइम है
Doesn't matter.
कर लेगा.
But she feeds, exactly.
So, any myth then that you want to break about lesbian intimacy?
A myth that we want to break.
It's not all about season.
Shit, it's not all about that. Yes, agreed.
So
There are other things, guys,
Correct.
that you don't know about.
of course there are. So there are a lot of myths, I would say, but one which you've talked about is ki we don't always think about sex. And the relationship, lesbian relationships, gay relationships, they are not about sex. Out of everything, हमें सिर्फ sex नहीं चाहिए. We are actually together because we love each other.
We have that compatibility that best friends would have. So even if we are not behaving like couples, we would, you know, we're just fun with each other, you know, like going here and there. I don't know, judging people around. I don't know. That's what we do.
मतलब एक समझने वाली बात है ना कि आज की सोसाइटी में भी ये नॉर्मल नहीं है. तो सिर्फ सेक्स के लिए तो हम लोग नहीं होते हैं साथ.
Obviously.
We have the audacity to be together because it's about love. तो अगर किसी को ये लगता है that it's about sex, no bro, it's not. अगर कोई इंसान legit family के against, friends के against, society के against,
एक ही इंसान को चूज करते ही जा रहा है. So I don't think it's lust. It is love.
It is love. तो कभी जैसे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स वगैरह होते हैं, ओपिनियन, कभी ऐसे एक गुस्सा आ गया, अब जैसे स्ट्रेट में हो गया कि ब्रेकअप हो गया, ये हो
Oh my
गया.
God.
ओके, सो ऐसे सिनेरियो में जब स्ट्रेट कपल होता है, सो यू नीड सम बेस्ट फ्रेंड कि वहां पर जाकर आप वेंट आउट कर दो, बुराई भी कर दो, ये हो जाए. तो
What do you want to say about
डू यू
that?
नीड एनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड जहाँ पे आप वेंट आउट कर दो और ऐसा कुछ गुस्सा आ जाए?
अनफॉर्चुनेटली पता क्या है कि ना, जैसे हमने बताया, लोगों की मेंटालिटी अभी भी उतनी उस लेवल पर नहीं है. एंड अगेन हम दोनों ने वो ना बहुत ही बुरा चीज़ फेस किया है कि अगर वो कोई स्ट्रेट कपल होता तो शायद इतना नेगेटिव ना सुनना पड़ता. बट इसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड, हम दोनों की ही बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स ने
Ex-best friends, just to let you
एक्स
know.
बेस्ट फ्रेंड, ओ माय गॉड, शी इज क्लैरिफाइंग.
या काफी उल्टा हम दोनों के ही बारे में बोला कि छोड़ दे, you guys are not meant for each other, this and that.
Right. So the thing is that she's a lesbian, I'm a bi, and my best friend tells me that, oh my god, तू टेंशन क्यों ले रही है, मैं तेरा लड़का लेकर आऊंगी यार, तू मत स्ट्रेस ले. And she started like, so this is one time that I told her कि भाई मेरी बहुत ऐसे, we actually had a very huge fight, and I told her, unfortunately I shouldn't have, but I did tell her कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा हो गया and I'm very very frustrated, मेरे को बहुत टेंशन हो रही है ये वो, and I was crying like anything, and then she told me क्यों स्ट्रेस ले रही है, let me show you pictures of guys, and I'm like, if you were in my position, I would have told you कि you know patch things up, बात कर, communicate what is wrong. I mean, you guys are so good together, तो एक लड़ाई की वजह से इतना क्यों मत्था खराब कर रहे हो?
Exactly.
So like what is happening? And then she straight away invalidated everything and she's like अरे तू छोड़ यार, जैसे मैं तेरे को लड़के दिखाती हूँ.
एंड सिर्फ वही नहीं, एक लड़की थी जो इससे she wanted to get into a relationship with her. There was another girl. वो
Oh my God.
इसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी, बट जैसे ही उसे पता चला कि इसकी मेरे से लड़ाई हुई है, लाइक वी हैड 3 मेजर फाइट्स टिल नाउ, टचवुड, लास्ट वाली को 1 साल हो गया.
You should touch wood.
तो उस फाइट के दौरान वो बंदी इसको बाहर उसने बुलाया घूमने के लिए, एंड शी कॉल्ड हर एज वेल.
हाँ, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड मुझे तो लेके जा रही है साथ में कि चल तेरा मैं थोड़ा माइंड फ्रेश करा दूं, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, एंड आई अप्रिशिएटेड दैट. बट वो साथ में उस बंदी को भी ले आई जो मुझे पसंद करती थी,
लेकिन वो उसे पसंद नहीं थी पहले.
लेकिन वो आज से पहले मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड उस बंदी को लाइक नहीं करती थी, लेकिन जस्ट बिकॉज उसको मेरे साथ इसका ब्रेकअप करवाना था एंड शी वांटेड मी टू नॉट बी विद हर, वो किसी को भी उठा के ले आ रही है साथ में. मतलब ये क्या बदतमीजी है भाई.
हमने इस चीज से वही सीखा है कि यार थर्ड पर्सन को इन्वॉल्व करना ही नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज आई डिड द सेम मिस्टेक. जैसे इसने बोला कि अगर हम होते तो हम ये बोलते कि यार तू पैचअप कर, तू बात कर,
Right.
just try and sort things out. And I used to do the same with my best friend. Like
Her
she's
best
married.
friend is married, yeah.
Yeah, she's married, and of course, because like I am 6 years older than her, तो मेरी best friend या मेरी friends के बच्चे भी हैं.
Mhm.
And when I told her initially about things, how things are, that she's bisexual or whatever was going on in our relationship, she would tell me, you are doing a mistake, she's not the one, she's not the right person, you should break
छोड़
up with
देगी,
her.
किसी लड़के के साथ चली जाएगी. तुम्हें नहीं
And
पता.
imagine, Neha, if you were with a guy or if you were married, would your best friend tell you to leave that person?
No.
Or try and patch things out?
Try and patch things out.
But
ऐसे तो पता नहीं रोज ही डिवोर्स हो.
exactly, but I guess ये चीज बाकी लोगों को क्या लगती है कि this is just a phase.
I was about to ask कि कितने आप लोग आपके पास आते हैं जो ये एडवाइस करते हैं कि ये जस्ट अ फेज.
We have heard this since the beginning of our relationship.
Yeah.
Since forever, and we hear this even today. कि this is just a phase. क्या होगा, 2.5 साल ही तो हुए हैं, 2.5 साल is nothing.
अच्छा, घर वाले सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, बाहर वालों को क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Exactly.
पता नहीं, I
point.
mean, उनको चौधरी बनना है.
हाँ, I don't know.
हम मतलब हमारा एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा रूल है यार, जियो और जीने दो. अगर आप वो नहीं कर सकते हैं देन यू कैन फक ऑफ.
हाँ, exactly.
बट वो नहीं हो पा रहा है सोसाइटी से. आई मीन ये तो है ही है. आई गेस आज किसी स्ट्रेट कपल का भी लड़ाई होता होगा तो लोग बोलते ही होंगे, उसमें बोलने आते ही है, जैसे रिलेटिव्स
आते हैं, राइट.
तो बाहर लोगों को यही आई गेस कि मतलब ये तो बहुत ज्यादा उनके लिए नया हो जाता है
Oh my God.
कि ये क्या है, दिस इज नॉट नॉर्मल.
And if we ever display our love in front of people, like let's say on social media, तो उनकी पता नहीं क्यों ऐस किलस रही है. तुमको क्या दिक्कत हो रही है भाई? तो you and your partner are not loving. You never saw your parents kissing each other. Not my problem. Not my problem. I mean, we have love, so what is your problem?
आई गेस ये हमारी सोसाइटी में ही है कि लव को नॉर्मलाइज नहीं किया है,
नहीं किया
लड़ाइयों
गया
को नॉर्मलाइज किया गया है. मतलब आप अगर हाथ पकड़ के घूम रहे हैं तो आज के टाइम में वो बेकार है, वो गंदा है. बट किसी औरत को गालियां पड़ रही हैं तो वो हमारे हाउस होल्ड्स में नॉर्मल है.
अभी रिसेंटली मैं अभी मॉल गई थी, परसों तरसों की बात है, एंड आई सॉ दिस गाय. वो कुछ तो ना ऐसा वो बिग बाजार टाइप्स एरिया होता है ना, वहाँ पे आई थिंक मतलब डी मार्ट गई थी मैं. सो मैं वो बंदा ऐसे कार्ट लेके जा रहा था अपनी वाइफ के साथ, हो गया गर्लफ्रेंड, आ रहा नो. एंड वो बंदी ने कुछ तो उठा के ऐसे कार्ट में रखी, उसको तेज धक्का दे, रख इसको वापस. ब्रदर, व्हाट इज दिस? ये क्या तमीज है तुझे? एंड पीपल आर एक्टिंग, they ignored, and I'm like,
It's normal.
हाँ, so they have normalized this.
So they have normalized this,
Exactly.
but they are not normalizing love.
एग्जैक्टली हमारे इसमें लव नॉर्मलाइज्ड है ही नहीं.
हो ही नहीं सकता मुझे तो.
ये लोग जो बोलते हैं वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज बेकार हैं, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज से आप बेकार की चीजें जो अडॉप्ट कर रहे हो, एक्चुअली यू गाइस शुड अडॉप्ट दिस.
हाँ.
So ये जो Pride Month होता है, so do you participate in
Yeah.
parades and all?
मैं ना एक बार गई थी, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा नहीं था.
Okay.
क्योंकि वहाँ पे there were like straight guys who were actually they were misbehaving with other people. तो
I have never actually
Yeah.
been to a
That was first and the last
तो इसको
time.
कमर्शियलाइज ज्यादा कर दिया गया है.
करा ही हुआ है. किट्टी सू, आई एम श्योर यू आर अवेयर, उसका जो फाउंडर है ललित, वो ललित सूरी, ही इज ऑल्सो गे. ही डजंट लिव इन इंडिया ऑफ कोर्स, बट आफ्टर पार्टी ना वहाँ पे होती है. जितना भी प्राइड परेड के बाद सब लोग वहीं जाते हैं. एंड अच्छा नहीं था माहौल,
Okay.
बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं था माहौल.
So even in corporates also they do celebrate this Pride Month, inclusivity and उसके
Bullshit के नाम
उसमें bullshit का नाम. Okay, तो उसमें वो सबको लेकर आते हैं and they share their experience, their story.
As long as it's still there, I guess it's fine, but आजकल लोग बहुत ज़्यादा कर देते हैं.
So I am saying like one, they're talking about inclusivity, right? Second, आप उनको स्पेशली लेकर आ रहे हो
हाँ,
तो वो इंक्लूसिविटी
नहीं
कहाँ हो गई है?
हाँ, agree.
जिसको नहीं भी पता होगा उसको भी वो एक फिर वो ना नॉर्मलाइज, जैसे आपने बोला कि पता लग जाता है तो कोई फ्रेंड नहीं रहता, कुछ नहीं रहता. सो इट्स हाउ यू पोर्ट्रे योर रिलेशनशिप.
आई गेस मेरे को ये लगता है इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है नहीं. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मतलब आपको क्यों इतना दिखाना है? ठीक है, आप चाहते हो आपको राइट्स मिले, आप चाहते हो आपको नॉर्मल फील कराया
We
जाए.
are not against Pride Parade at all, but again, Pride Parade, if at all आपको Pride Parade अगर आपको करनी भी है, तो भी I think it should be just LGBTQ people. I have seen, just like she told कि ऐसे straight लड़के वड़के घुस गए जो भी चीजें हैं, I have seen कि even in the community, within the community, people misbehave with each other.
Yeah.
I don't know, and again, I'm not saying कि LGBTQ community भगवान की है, नहीं, not saying कि वहाँ पे सारे देवता है जी, नहीं जी, अरे हम तो बहुत अच्छे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Even those are humans, and humans do whatever they feel is okay, and they also misbehave. Even in the community, हमारे खुद के experiences ऐसे रहे हैं कि community के लोगों ने ही चीज़ें ऐसी ऐसी बोली है या ऐसी ऐसी करी हैं. तो I just do not understand. Even if you're doing Pride Parade, I just want कि it should be safe for everyone. That's the only thing.
Yeah,
You know?
I mean, if I may,
Hmm.
there are a lot of LGBTQ influencers जो आज के टाइम पे सिर्फ कमर्शलाइजेशन के नाम पर अपना सोशल मीडिया चला रहे हैं.
राइट.
There have been so many instances where they should have taken their stance, but नहीं हुआ है वो. तो अगर आप वो नहीं कर सकते हो तो आपको वहां जा करके प्राइड परेड में घूमने का भी कोई जरूरत नहीं.
सो लाइक यू गाइज आर एजुकेटेड, आप वहाँ पे नहीं जाते हो, राइट? आपको सिर्फ अपने रिलेशनशिप से मतलब है, एक दूसरे से मतलब है,
हाँ,
ठीक है. लेकिन काफी सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो ऐसे प्रोटेस्ट में जाकर, ऐसी परेड्स में जाकर और डांस करके वो मतलब बहुत ज्यादा डिग्रेड कर रहे हैं.
If you want to ask for rights from the government, there are other ways to do it. Instead of आप एक महीना पूरा प्राइड का निकाल दो, एक महीना पूरा परेड का निकाल, this is, you have to understand. कर लिया, 1 साल कर लिया, 2 साल कर लिया, 3 साल कर लिया, is it making any difference? I don't think so.
And
गवर्नमेंट को फर्क पड़ रहा हो या किसी और को फर्क पड़ रहा हो,
Right.
I don't think so. If you
on
wanna
top of that, if you want to make a difference, we'll be very honest. The only reason, Neha, why we are on social media is because we wanted to make a difference. If we'll take you through our DMs, we try to help people. I'm not exaggerating. I'm not saying this for any publicity, but we are actually trying to do our bit. हमें वहाँ प्राइड परेड में जाके झंडा लहराने की कोई शौक नहीं है. People
Not
come
doing
to
any
us.
good.
We always say this in our videos, YouTube videos, reels. कि if you are not feeling okay, if you are not feeling yourself, talk to us. We have our people, like we were talking about our army. We have our group जहाँ पे लोग बात करते हैं. हमारी एक बहुत ही special, she was not feeling okay. She was there because मेरे पास time नहीं था. My job was fucked up. She was there with her. She did her bit. And again, as I've mentioned, अगर मैं नाम भी लूँ तो पीछे कुछ हुआ था. LRD वर्मा और आरी के जो भी मतलब कुछ तो सीन हुआ था. मैंने किसी एक का भी स्टोरी नहीं देखा, मैंने किसी एक का भी पोस्ट नहीं देखा किसी के सपोर्ट में. तो फिर आप कैसे LGBTQ इन्फ्लुएंसर हो? मतलब मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता है कि हमारे 100 के पहुंचे, हमारे 1 मिलियन पहुंचे, नहीं. if we are able to make a difference in anyone's life, that's all we wanted to do.
And there are people who are charging huge amount of money to come on podcast, to be on social media, huge amount of money.
Definitely, मतलब that's not our motive. हमें सिर्फ ये है कि अगर हम आ रहे हैं तो बस हमारा ऐसा ना हो कि because we both are working, we have, I mean, बाप का पैसा नहीं है unfortunately इतना, बट अगर हम कुछ कर सकते हैं तो we do that on social media. हम हमेशा लोगों को encourage करते हैं, आप लाइव पे आओ, मतलब if you get a chance आप हमारे लाइव पे आके
लाइव पे ज्वाइन करो and you'll see. हमको अगर कोई गलत भी बोल रहा होता है, let's say, because there are people who obviously say shit, तो अगर कोई गलत भी बोल रहा है तो there are, as we mentioned, we have like 4-5 चुनिंदा people in our life जो ऐसे खड़े हो जाते हैं कि तू कैसे बोल रहा है they're like all that. So and we love that, we love the kind of support they give us, we love the kind of because वो लोग हमारे पास तब से हैं when we were less than 500 followers on Instagram, less than that. There's this one girl who subscribed to us when we were only 10 subscribers on YouTube.
वो बहुत डांटती है हमें कि भाई
बहुत
कर लो
सुनाती है
यार,
कि
कर लो
YouTube नहीं
सोशल
कर रहे हो
मीडिया.
यार, आपको पता नहीं कितनी पोटेंशियल है ये वो, आप नहीं जानते. And so this is the kind of people we have in our life, and that's what we are very blessed.
At least we were able to make a difference, that's all. मतलब मेरे को नहीं जाना है, हमको नहीं जाना है प्राइड परेड में, हमको नहीं लहराना झंडा. हम घर पे बैठ के भी हम दिखा देंगे कि हम LGBTQ कम्युनिटी से हैं.
देखो कमेंट से, इन चीज़ों से तो मैं बोलूँगी कि हमारे PM भी नहीं बच पाते, तो हम क्या चीज़ हैं. जिनको बोलना है उनको बोलना है,
उनके लिए तो सिर्फ उंगलियां चल रही है ना कीबोर्ड पे.
फेमस होना है, राइट.
अरे फेमस. So there was this guy जो हमें मैसेज कर रहा था कि अगर आपको फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग होना है तो मेरे से शादी कर लो, हम दोनों
शादी कर
को.
लो.
ओके,
मैंने उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके
स्टोरी पे डाल दिया कि किसी को फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल होना तो कांटेक्ट दिस गाय.
एंड उसने मेरे को मैसेज किया, मेरे को यूज करके फेमस होना चाहते हो.
मैं तेरे पास कितने फॉलोअर्स है
भाई
भैया?
तू 350 फॉलोअर्स में तू क्या कर लेगा? तू हमसे सोशल मीडिया गेम खेल क्यों रहा है?
अच्छा आप दोनों को एक साथ क्या रहा था?
नहीं, हमारे जो
हाँ,
हमारा
शादी के लिए.
अच्छा दोनों उससे शादी कर लो.
मेरे पास मैसेज होगा.
एंड मैं तुम दोनों को फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग कर दूंगा. मैं कहा भाई खुद तो हो जा पहले.
That's weird.
हाँ, मतलब लोगों ने लेजिट उसकी प्रोफाइल पे जाके हमें बोला है कि इसकी ये देखो, ये कहाँ से ये खुद ये फिजिकली भी स्ट्रांग नहीं है, ये फाइनेंशियली भी स्ट्रांग नहीं है, ये क्या है?
ये तो
मतलब
मजाक है.